Hello, today I will guide you on how to enable WebGL 2.0 on Google Chrome. Step 1. Enable hardware acceleration. Open Google Chrome, click the three-dot menu, select Settings. In the left panel, click System. Make sure Use Hardware Acceleration when available is turned on. Step 2. Enable WebGL 2.0 in Chrome flags. In Chrome Settings address bar, type Chrome//flags. Press Enter. In the search box, type WebGL. Look for WebGL Draft Extensions and WebGL Developer Extensions. Click the drop-down menu next to each and select Enabled. If you ever want to disable them, select Disabled instead. Step 3. Restart Chrome. After enabling WebGL settings, click Relaunch to restart Chrome. Once restarted, WebGL 2.0 should now be enabled.